Hello, poetry writing students. This week we're having a bit of a wild card. I am your guest lecturer, Dr. H, and we are going to be pivoting and looking at poetry as therapy and how the practice of writing can, in fact, be the end goal of poetry rather than just the artistic creation that we find at the end. And part of the reason we are pivoting and turning like this is because I am not a poet, but I do know about how writing poetry and being a writer, being a creative writer, has applications beyond the art that is created into the practice and the value of that practice for the creator of the work. So, we're going to have a workshop online, and what you are going to be doing is experiencing poetry as therapy. So I want you to try to practice it as do some of these activities and then learn from professionals besides myself about writing therapy, about why it matters, what kind of impact that it has made. And then finally, you are going to reflect on the experience and respond to each other. So instead of responding to each other's artistic and critiquing and helping each other build stronger poems, we're going to have a conversation about the experience of writing poetry and the value that could have, in the world, period. So here are your guidelines: learning, practice. You're going to choose two of these and then reflect. And the reflection is going to be on the discussion board. And it is here in the assignment that you are going to post the sort of practice that you have, like the examples that I gave. And I'm not going to lie, it was hard to post this up here for other creative writers because I'm not a creative writer. But these are not, I'm putting this out there because this is not about actually the art you created so much as the experience of creating that art and what does that do for you. So here are the ones that I created. And once you've seen mine, no one should be ashamed or afraid to do whatever they do because you are all better poets than I am. And then here are the different videos explaining how to do these things by people who actually are artists and know how to do this, and the tools that you will need. So this part of the workshop is you learning about art as therapy, poetry as therapy, and then practicing that yourselves. I cannot wait to see what you create, and I hope this is fun. I hope that you embrace the therapy experience. Embrace this as experience and don't let yourself get caught up in anything else. I cannot wait to see what you all do.